TMCC and Tesla have an amazing partnership for our manufacturing development program. This is a licensed apprenticeship program for our production associates. We send them here to TMCC on a grant for 4 weeks.
The students do not pay tuition. Tesla is paying them to be with us for 4 weeks. The students get 11 college credits, and then they have a solid foundation in advanced manufacturing before they start at the Gigafactory.
It's a very intense program, and without the partnership of TMCC, we wouldn't be able to be producing the students with the knowledge that we are right now.
848 students go through our apprenticeship in less than 2 years. This program is pretty remarkable and changes a lot of lives.
The partnership works so well because of really good communication between both programs, and I think there's a desire between the TMCC side and the Tesla side to be able to send these students to school to get the education for our workforce. There's a lot of passion about Nevada, and what these students going through here and staying in Nevada and working in Nevada and becoming students of TMCC is really positive for all of us. With this program, they're really given a leg up, so they're coming in with a lot of advanced knowledge versus if they just kind of joined off the street. And what we always say with this program is we want their ultimate success. It really leads to over 50% of our MDPers within the first year receive promotions. And I think a lot of that has to do with the education and the schooling they're getting at TMCC.